Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about y squared go to the right, 2y squared go to the right, and we have like this. Now we need to graph about this one and this one. So the graph of s equal to negative y squared, that should be like this. The graph of s equal to negative 2y squared plus 9. The graph should be like this. Now we need to find the intersection in here and here. And they want to find the area. So that should be about this one. So we need to find the intersection. We see that we have S and S, so we can connect together. So I will put this one cone here. So we calculate this one, and we have y equals to number 3 and y equals to negative number 3. And now this one we have negative number 3. This one we have positive number 3. And now we can create about the integration. That is about the area equals to the integration from negative number 3 to positive number 3. We need to know that we need to use about the upper function minus the lower function. The upper function, that is about this one. The lower function, that is about this one. So we have like this. The integration of y squared, we have the formula in here. So we have negative y to the power of 3 over 3 plus 9y. And then we put the bounds from negative number 3 to positive number 3. So I will put number 3 cone here, negative number 3 cone here. So we calculate this one, and we have 36. This is the end. Thank you for watching.